Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
I've got an incredible 1969 Rally Sport Z28 right here. Look at those amazing colors, and it is all numbers correct. There's garnet red, ivory houndstooth deluxe interior, nut and bolt restored. The numbers are matching throughout. This thing is awesome. Visit volocars.com and you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale, so make sure you visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, it'd be my pleasure to take you for a spin in a 69 Rally Sport Z28. I mean, is that just not gorgeous or what? And you just don't see many garnet red Z28s. I love the blue, but you see quite a few of them. The silver looks good, but you do see them. This red with the white is just amazing in my opinion. So, body off, frame restored. It's just a subframe up front, but it was off. Everything rebuilt, bushings, ball joints, springs, shocks, all of it's restored and detailed. Has the assembly line markings on the suspension. Has the correct dual exhaust with the transverse muffler and the right tailpipes. It is the VIN numbers matching on the transmission. It's an M21 Muncie 4-speed with the right dates and codes are stamped on it. It has a correct 12-bolt 373 posi rear end with also the correct codes and dates stamped on it. You look up at the motor, it's fresh. The floors are beautiful. The metal under the car is really nice and clean. Of course, all new brake system, the emergency brake cables, has disc in front, new fuel system, which would be the tank, the straps, the sending units, the fuel and brake lines. I mean, underneath the car is real nice. The body is amazing. It is absolutely straight. It fits really well. It's smooth all along the bottoms. There's no rust, no damage, no problem areas. If you notice, it has the flat hood. That really intrigued me. I really liked that because everyone put the cowl hoods on it. They did not come with the cowl hoods. That was optional, but everyone you see has a cowl hood. The fact that it still has the original flat hood tells me something about the integrity of the car. They restored it back to original. If they were just building up a fake car, they would have put the cowl induction on there. So I think it's really cool it has the flat hood. The stripes are painted on real nicely. The paint is like red glass. Now there's like a speck in the paint, so I can't use the word perfect, which I try to never do. There's a little spot right in the paint right here. So if you look with a magnifying glass, you'll find a couple very insignificant flaws. But I'm telling you, it's like looking into a red mirror. It's straight, it fits, it's magnificent. It's got the bumper guards, new chrome, new emblems, new tail lights, has a spoiler. It's a Rally Sport, so the reverse lights are relocated down below the bumper. It was born with they called it Parchment, halo vinyl top. They call it the halo because of this red rim around it. The back window and the front window are new. The side glass is real nice, original. It's got the exterior trim group, which is the chrome louvers and the stainless moldings. All of this stuff is just super nice. The window seals, the mirror, all the trim, the wipers. 15-inch wheels, all new trim. Reproduction Goodyear wide tread GT tires. The Rally Sport is the hidden headlights. They even had headlight washers up here, and they are all hooked up to the washer pump. We'll demonstrate them in just a minute. Of course, you got the lower spoiler, got the correct antenna. So the numbers, codes, the VIN, all that's correct and matching. The right aluminum intake, the double hump heads. It's got the correct finned valve covers. the right carburetor. The Holley carb has got the correct numbers. This even has the complete smog system, the deep groove pulleys, and every component in here looks new. The master cylinder, brake booster, the alternator, the fan, everything is pristine. The jambs are beautiful, new weather strips. The interior is really great. The deluxe door panels are mint. They're not beat up on the edges or cracked. The seats have new cushion. You sit in the car and it's nice and firm and they fit nice and they're nice and bright. They're not worn out seat covers. Good solid trunk compartment, spatter painted. It's got a rubber mat that fits real nicely. Got a tire cover over the spare. It's got a jack. Of course, this is all painted up nice. It's got the stickers. It's got the weather strip. It's got a super nice trunk compartment. Yeah, seats, door panels are mint. The headrest, again, the cushions, new carpet, reproduction mats. It's a real nice original console that they did some restoration. They replaced the wood grain in the shifter plate. It's got the factory gauges in the console. It's got the Hurst shifter with the chrome ball. And here we've got the right GM hoses and clamps. It looks like all the vacuum stuff for the headlights are new. The horns, everything's in the proper finishes. It's got their factory assembly line markings on the firewall. It's got the hood insulation, the right air cleaner lid with the concave in the middle there. Spring clamp battery cables, the washer bottle, just detailed and beautiful in here. I notice the dome lights working, the headliner, the visors, all that's excellent. It has a rebuilt clock with quartz movement. It has the 7 grand tachometer, deluxe rosewood steering wheel. And it has a rosewood trim. I'm pretty sure it's part of the Rally Sport package. When I open the ashtray, it's original in there. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's not brand new. Also in the glove box, so like around the edges, it's just a little dusty and original. Nothing wrong with it, but when I went through the interior, it's the only thing that really wasn't like new. It has a distinct sound. The Z28s have their own unique sound. The dash lights up beautifully. The heater controls are lit up. The dash pad is new. The mirror looks new. And it looks like the headlights are going to embarrass me, or at least one of them is. All right, we'll have to check that out. It is all new stuff that will be working. Motor runs perfect. There's not a noise or a tick coming from here. That sounds sweet. Got reproduction floor mats. Everything fits nice. Get a lot of cars through here. It's one of my favorites in a long time. The condition, the colors, just everything about it, the options. It's an amazing car. This came with it, so of course this will go to the new owner. It does say right here that it is the original stamping, not restamped motor. The numbers and codes, everything looks really good to us. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. If you have any questions or concerns about the car, feel free to ask them. I just gave you my impression of the vehicle. They can also help you with the financing, with the delivery, make the paperwork real easy. So visit volocars.com if you're interested. If you just like watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.